Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Gmail not receiving email. First, if you are not getting new emails in Gmail, don't worry. This issue is common and can be fixed. First, check your internet connection. Make sure your phone or computer is connected with Wi-Fi or mobile data. A weak connection can stop email from loading. After that, open the Gmail app and refresh your Gmail app. Sometimes email are there, but the app just need to be refreshed. Now check the spam folder. If you see any email are there, if you find an email in spam, open it and tap not spam. For that, tap on three dots, scroll down and tap on spam. After that, check all mail folder. Your email might be archived by mistake, and make sure your Gmail storage is not full. If your storage is full, Gmail cannot receive new email. You check this by going to the Google storage or deleting old emails or files is needed. For that, tap on the profile icon. Here you can find the storage and you can clear your storage. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.